Regarding effectiveness of health care navigation in public health. I'm Ivy Tresha Seikoho.
And I am Jelaine Andy Supremo. Good morning. The intro of our study is, in recent years, healthcare system worldwide face many challenges related to quality of care, services, access to health, and affordability. Achieving equitable access to quality healthcare is a challenge, particularly for underserved and vulnerable population. Healthcare navigation is still in the process of establishing in the Philippine public health system and also has limited resources. Care navigation used to address these challenges by facilitating process on delivering healthcare service to communities, coordinating to other sectors, and empowering patients to navigate healthcare systems. While there is a growing interest in care navigation as a promising approach to improve public health outcomes, there is a need for comprehensive synthesis of evidence regarding its effectiveness. This paper aimed to fill the gap by providing a systemic review of the literature on care navigation in public health setting. The statement of the problem aims to determine the effectiveness of care navigation in public health in the Philippines. How does it work on handling patients' care? Second, why is it important to public health? And last, how does it work as a holistic approach to individual and community? The objective of the study aims to determine the effectiveness of health navigation through patient satisfaction and to gauge on quality health care through holistic approach. Significance of the study will be beneficial to all Filipino people who are seeking health care services. This is also beneficial to health facilities such as rural health units, hospitals, and public health units. The scope and limitation focuses on the effectiveness of care navigation in public health in Surala, South Cotabato in third quarter of year 2024. This study is limited to those areas with low or slow access to internet.
Review of related literature. Implementing a care navigation can support a better member experience, lead to smarter employee, healthcare decisions, and help employers curb healthcare costs. Year 2020 has been a technology-driven, with a rise of healthcare apps, telemedicine, and AI-powered devices. 2021 will be no different. It can be a little intimidating and challenging to navigate, especially for parts of the population who are less used to new technologies. Moreover, with the rampant spread of a new virus, it has become clear that the public needs expert guidance around the healthcare system through healthcare navigators. Some of the benefits of a care navigation can have a patient's company and society. First is to improve quality of care by decline of emergency admission by 6% and hospital admission by 8%. Improved quality of healthcare can also be seen in declining need for emergency intervention to patients. Second is to reduce patient expense with knowledgeable individual to guide patient to help them not to lose money on treatments and therapies that they do not need. They can clearly communicate with their healthcare provider and be given all the options available to them, making their payment worthwhile. A better understanding of their diagnosis allows them to make sound decisions regarding their healthcare needs, thus resulting in less treatment, mismanagement, and medical services costs. And third is a surge in healthcare organizations' customer satisfaction greatly contributed to those organizations' improvement, especially when it comes to customer service and satisfaction. The presence and skills of a healthcare navigator make public health more trusting and credible. Their transparency to customers and patient-centered approach makes for a more amicable relationship with customer and beneficiaries. Fourth, remove disparity in healthcare despite living in the 21st century. health disparities like race, ethnicity, gender, age, and socioeconomic standings still hinder access to healthcare and medical services. With healthcare navigators, especially those working within their local environment, can bridge the gap between social minorities and the healthcare system. And lastly, the presence of a trusted healthcare navigator can prevent the development of disease through early detection. Get the patient easy access to healthcare services and even the coordination of healthcare professionals. Help them get the best health insurance coverage, its continuity, and when it is used. And finally, to help patients build their lost trust and respect for the healthcare system. Theoretical framework. According to the theory of human caring by Jane Watson, caring is as central and promotes health better than a simple medical cure. Caring begins with being present, open to compassion, mercy, gentleness, loving kindness, and equanimity towards with the self before one can offer compassionate care to others. Watson, 2008. This theory also shows that enable to satisfy patient through healthcare is to provide them the quality healthcare service by giving holistic approach. Care navigation will serve as a guide or direction to prevent unnecessary waste of money, effort, and time. If the facility provides the quality service, it leads to patient satisfaction. We have a framework from Jane Watson. This is a human caring framework. There are 4 parts of the framework, the nursing, person, environment, and health. Nursing, person who rendered a care or services. While person, it is the patient who seek the health services. Environment, this will on regarding internet connection, while health, state of complete physical, social being, not merely absence of the disease, like high level of social, physical, and mental functioning.
In figure 2, we have our own conceptual framework, which is based to Jane Watson theory of human caring. While in our conceptual framework, the responsive health system and internet are the independent variables. Financial status and geographical location are the dependent variable, while the quality healthcare and holistic care is the mediating or intervening variables. So in order to identify the patient satisfaction, the public health must provide quality healthcare through holistic approach. So in order to provide the patient the satisfaction of the service they rendered, the public health must give them the quality healthcare services through holistic care approach. The hindrance of this is mostly on the financial status of the patient, where the patient can go to the public health, and also the geographical location. If the patient lives in GIDA areas or far-flung areas, the quality of care is not be given due to long distance of the patient. And also, the responsive health system and internet is also maybe the hindrance because it will not have the linkages or the referral system from the hospital to the rural health units. The research methodology will utilize descriptive research to answer the problem and objective presented. The design focus on describing the patient's satisfaction to measure the effectiveness of care navigation in public health in Surala, South Cotabato. The sampling process will focus on the population of Surala, South Cotabato who seek health services. The sampling method that we'll use in this study is probability random sampling. We provided the sample questionnaire that we're going to use on this study. So we will conduct the study on Surala, South Cotabato, with a question with, are you satisfied with service rendered? Does the care navigation make your consultation easy? Does care navigation cost you money? Does the health facility provide all your healthcare needs? Do you think care navigation is effective and useful? Through this, we will summarize or identify the satisfaction of the patient. This is our report. Thank you and good morning.